If you want to encourage customers to refer you to others without you having to ask for referrals, you have to do something really special. I use the term blow their socks off. You have to do something so very special that they simply cannot resist telling others about you. It's not often I come across a company pulling that off as effectively as I recently experienced, and so I simply cannot resist telling you about it and them. I had a speaking engagement in Turkey and took the opportunity to tag on a well-earned holiday in the sun with my wife. We booked into the Hillside Su in Antalya, a very nice 5-star hotel situated on the beach, and although it was very well appointed, it was certainly not as luxurious compared to many others we've stayed at. Nevertheless, it had pretty much everything we wanted. Clean and comfortable rooms, a great pool area, lovely beach area, bars, restaurants, etc. The staff were all very courteous and helpful, and they even had reading glasses one could borrow in the restaurants and bar areas. But that's not so unusual. And then, day one, and every day thereafter, at 11:45 a.m, a pretty young lady in a smart white hotel uniform appeared on the beach and moved slowly from sun lounger to sun lounger, offering to clean guests' sunglasses. She handled them so gently, she polished them so efficiently, she held them up to the light to ensure they were perfectly clean and handed them back with a lovely smile. That blew my socks off, and I'm telling you about it, and I've told a lot of other people about it. What are you going to do to blow your customers' socks off and get referrals without asking for them? Brainstorm this and come up with a solution.